Hi guys, in this video I'm going to have an air fryer onions. This is super easy and delicious in much less time. I have 2 onions here. All I have to do is peel this and slice it in a very thin slice. You don't have to cut your onion like I do. If you have your own preferences, then that would be fine. So now we are going to put some of the ingredients that we need. I'm going to put olive oil, maybe around 2 tablespoons. Add sugar. You can also use maple syrup. And I am using pink Himalayan salt. That's it. And we just need to mix it really good. Then now put it in our air fryer basket. And set the timer for 10 minutes. And 375 Fahrenheit. And after 10 minutes, this is how our air fryer onions looks like. And for me, this is ready to serve. But if you want your onion look more golden brown, then you have to air fry it a little bit longer, like 5 or 10 minutes more. This is perfect for side dish if you love onion. So this is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.